Hello and welcome to the fashion magazine again. Good evening, girls. Today I'm talking about a very exciting topic, the Critics' Choice Award, and we're gonna talk about the dresses. I would like to call this video the Bloody Mary, and I mean it because the red is back again this season. So start saving money to buy something in red, and especially don't dye your hair in red. Today we're picking up three best choices and three best dresses of this event, and I'm starting of course with my lovely girl Dua Lipa. I love the dress. A lot of people actually criticize this dress. I really love that dress. The layers, it looks like veins, like a heart at the same time, and if you get closer you see a lot of details. A lot of work have been done through this dress. I really loved it. She seems to be moving very easily in this dress. She looked very happy. I still insist, I don't like her hair. I still imagine if the hair was black, and the makeup as well. We have seen this makeup recently in the Global Award and we have talked about it. You can watch the video. I like really how they did the hairstyle. Is very nice, is very chic, and I like the earrings at the same time. This year the necks, as we can see, are naked. We have seen that in the Global Award. So girls, this year enough with wearing a lot of necklace. That's not nice, especially when you go a very nice event. I like the color of this dress, is amazing. I like again the earrings. I didn't like the makeup. The makeup wasn't bold enough. She looks sexy and sassy. I wish they have done something more to show the beauty of her face, but they haven't done that again. We're still not in the summer, obviously, so we need something cold. We need very nice lipstick, burgundy, and a very nice deep eyeliner. I didn't like the blush, but I really loved how she moved in this dress. I like it, looks like very light. I loved it. I think this one could go very well in a top if you want to have something like that. So pick up. I can imagine it with a jean and a top in this color and those shapes. It looks like an open flower. Well done. The job was done very good. This dress actually is Prada, and Prada has never seems to disappoint me. I like this brand. They have a very nice designs, and they did a great job with Dua Lipa in this one. Number two is Christina Ricci. Welcome back, girl. Welcome back to be the most sassy, beautiful girl as you are today. I like this style. Nothing was imperfect in this dress. I like to criticize, but this dress was amazing on her. I like her hair. I like her body. She looks amazing and she looks so fresh. I like this, how they make the texture not cheap. The cut at the end, she looked amazing. She looked sexy and classy at the same time. I really like the lipstick. Someone did what I asked for, a red lipstick. They didn't put a lot of accessories and they did the hair in the right place. The Wednesday girl here looks amazing, and I think like the dress goes very well with her personalities, and I like everything about this dress. What else can I say? The open chest was amazing, and we can see there is kind of a line in the middle. I liked it really. This dress looks amazing. It looks like a wedding dress. Okay, she's the real Bloody Mary in this one. I like her face. She looks very beautiful, amazing. And the necklace, the diamonds were amazing. And actually, she brought with her a purse. I like this. No one seems to do that anymore. Right, really, she's really in the mood. I liked everything. I liked also the nails, how they were very clear, so she can give more value for the dress. And really, they did a great job. This dress actually was done by Carolina Herrera, by the way. Look to that high heels, is amazing, by the way. Everything was in black and seemed to work very well. Really, Carolina Herrera did a great job. Amazing, chef kiss. Okay, moving to number three, Margot Robbie. Our girl is still here in this rate as well. Actually, this dress has been also inspired by Barbie, but kind of not that Barbie-ish, as we can tell. The dress is done by Balmain. I like Balmain, by the way. He does a very great static work, like doing architecture at the same time. I really loved the dress. I liked how they did it. It looks like sculpture at the same time. I didn't like the ring, by the way. I don't like those big rings, diamonds. I don't know what's that. But I didn't really love the accessory. They should have put it actually here, some bracelet in her hands, diamond bracelet. No, of course, for the neck, they made the right choice. The neck should be like that because she have a lot of flowers actually on her shoulders. But I really didn't like the makeup again. They have made the same mistake as they done in the Global Award. Very pale face. She's like, woke up in the morning with that kind of dress. The red is so actually obvious and you cannot ignore that dress. I wish they have done something like more with a red lipstick again. Maybe even if they went more bolder with a black lipstick because it will look amazing on her skin. I didn't like the face. She had very beautiful eyes and she looked like very pale. We can see in the second picture. I liked everything on this dress. It's amazing, by the way. But the hair and the makeup looked very disorganized and made me like look to her hair and say, why did they do that? Imagine Margot Robbie actually with a sleek hair, with a good bun, with a very good makeup, a little bit of very nice red blush. She would look amazing. She's beautiful anyway. And the dress will take number 3. We have seen actually in this video 3 top dresses, I believe. The dress from Christina Herrera was well done. We're very happy to see her again in the market. We're really happy to see her acting again. I love that girl. The dress of Dua Lipa was amazing. I insist the hair should be changed. I don't like her hair. The color is very bad. And I like Margot Robbie. Balma, I think he did a great job in this one. I like everything related to the dress. All right, we have seen the best 3 dresses that we consider. I hope you enjoyed the Bloody Mary dresses we have picked for you, girl. I have enjoyed doing this video. I really love these dresses. This is what I'm talking about. In the Golden Award, we haven't seen something catchy or impressive this time. We really have seen people that have been really prepared. It's like they try to do something different. The red, I insist on the fact that the red will be back in the market. Try to save your money and buy something with a very sustainable texture. What I would recommend, and we're going to do a video about the red colors and the best tendencies for the summer this year, pick up something really very ready. I mean that, like really red, like blood red, okay? So please don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon and take care. Have a great night. Kisses.